In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect USA server on PC. So currently, I am using Sharpwork VPN. This is extremely fantastic VPN. So this link I will attach in my video description. When you click, you are directed to this website. Now you need to click on Get Sharpwork um, VPN. Then you need to add your payment details, which one you want to like. So I recommend you for second one, Shark one. So it's only 1.89 US dollar month. So if I click on get one, so you need to add payment details right now. So I already added. So after completed payment details, you are going to the next page, like download page. So you need to download a extension, Chrome extension. So if you want to use, if you are user a MacBook, Linux, and etc., you can download this one. So this is perfect for me. Download extension. So I click on here. Then uh, you face add this extension. Just click here. I already added, so I skip this one. So just you need to click on right now Shark VPN extension. Then uh, here are you need to click on change. If you are already set to Thailand and India and any other country, you need to click on changes. So into select manually. So just scroll down at the last moment, you can see this is the United States server. Now click on quick connect. That's it. My IP already changes to the USA server San Jose. So this is extremely easy method. You can use USA server on PC. So this is a method you can use. So if you found this video helpful for me, like and subscribe the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.